Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart, and this is the Navajo Indian Diamond Hat, Part 3. Now, the round part should have a multiple of 10 stitches plus 9. And if you don't have the correct amount, I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of each row, the next 2 rows. The first row, I'll do the 2 single crochets in 1. So that'll increase it of 1, and I'll do a couple extra ones, so the next round I'll show how to decrease. And that's a 2-in-1 single crochet. Since everyone will be on a different row because of the different sizes, I'm going to call this row D1 for beginning of the diamonds 1. And I'm going to cast on with a single crochet, back loop only. Now the next stitch is going to be a double crochet, front loop only, second row down. So I'm going to yarn over for the double crochet, count down 1, 2, and insert my hook into that front loop. And pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and make sure not to work into the single crochet right behind it. You'll go into the next stitch, and it's going to be 1 single crochet, back loop only, in the next 9 stitches. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we're going to do another double crochet, front loop only, second row down from the hook. And then it's going to be 1 single crochet, back loop only, in the next 9 stitches. And I'm just going to keep repeating this all the way around. And at the end of this row, I'll be showing how to do increases. So if you need more stitches, we can add some increases. And I'm just going to go over the slip stitch here. Just going to do a single crochet right over it. So I'm short 2 stitches, so I need to add 2 stitches somehow. So I'm going to put 2 in the next 2 stitches. So I'm going to put 2 single crochet, back loop only, in the next 2 stitches. And then I'm just going to add one more so I can show you the decrease. And then I'm going to slip stitch it to the first single crochet. If you have a lot of increases to do, you might want to spread them out around the hat. Okay, I'm going to go into the next stitch, and that's on top of the double crochet, and I'm going to put in 1 single crochet, back loop only. And the next stitch is going to be 1 double crochet, front loop only, second row down from the hook. And then I'm going to repeat the pattern starting with this single crochet. So it's 1 single crochet, back loop only, in the next 7 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1 double crochet, front loop only, second row down from the hook. One single crochet, back loop only in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, front loop only, second row down from hook. Now I'm just going to keep repeating the pattern. So it's 1 single crochet, back loop only in the next 7 stitches. Then 1 double crochet, front loop only, second row down from hook. Then 1 single crochet, back loop only. And then 1 double crochet, front loop only, second row down from hook. Then 1 single crochet, back loop only in the next 7 stitches. Okay, since I have an extra stitch, I'm going to do a 2-in-1. So I'm going to put my hook into the next stitch and pull up the yarn, and then put my hook into the next stitch and pull up the yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that decreases it by 1. Now I'm going to do my double crochet, front loop only, second row down from hook, I'm going to slip stitch it to the beginning stitch. I'm going to change the colors, so I'm going to chain 1 and cut off a tail. Now the sides should start to curl up a little bit. So here I'm forming the bottom part of the diamond, and I'm going to keep putting double crochets on each side of these sets of double crochets until each set of double crochets meet. In the next video, I'll continue with row D3. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the icon and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.